welcome back, and thank you for staying all through to this stage. We're almost at the end of the video. Okay, so in this video we'll be looking at how to add background music and finish your video editing. So to get started, you click on audio, go to this audio, click on it, then sound, click on the sounds, then select your file. Now you see all these places, you can also use any of the sounds you want from them. You can touch them right now, but I want to select from my file because I already downloaded a particular song. So I'm just going to click on the file and then select from device. Okay, then I'm going to scroll and search the song I downloaded. Let's see. The Cradle of Your Soul, that is the name. Okay, so let's type it on to be fast. The Cradle, you can see that. So I'll just click on this plus button to add it. So look at this place, it has been added, right? Our song has been added. So that's how you can add a music to your video. Okay, now let's play the video and hear it.
Of course, my dear friend, in the wisdom of age, I will never beg for.
Okay, if you notice something, this music is louder than our video, so I'm going to reduce the sound of this music. Okay, so when you select the music, come to volume, reduce the sound.
Of course, my dear friend.
Okay, I'm still not hearing it as I want.
I'll be brief, never beg for. Of course.
Okay, now adjust the volume of your video as well.
Of course, my dear friend.
I think they are perfect now.
Of course, my dear friend, in the wisdom. Of course, my dear friend. Of course.
So now this is our video.
In the wisdom of age, I'll be brief, never beg
So you
for
see,
love.
it didn't really take much time for us to
Choice between hearts.
create our video and animate it. Okay, now at the end of your video clip, you can decide to add fade out. You can decide to add fade out. So now there's something you will notice here. You can see that there is no more video, but the sound is still playing. So what are we going to do? We're going to cut this sound off so that it will end just where our video ended. So position this your straight line. Okay, position it to the end of where you want it to cut, and then select this split. You can see it has splitted this song. Can you see it? So you can move it. All right, let's see. Okay, so I I want to split it again. I splitted where I didn't really want to split.